guys, this is IIL02 and welcome back to my channel. So guys, on my previous video, I had an unboxing of a mystery box from Namshi. It's a collaboration of NYX Professional Makeup with Namshi. So just a brief information again. So I searched the retail prices nung nakuha ko from that mystery box. So it's worth 190 dirhams for the 3-lip product and 1 full-size eyeshadow palette. So if you're gonna ask me if it's worth it, yes, I can say it's worth it because we bought the mystery box for 99 dirhams. So again, we're here now to do an unboxing of a mystery box again, guys, from Namshi. So this is L'Oreal Paris collaboration with Namshi. So I got it with the same price. It's 99 dirhams and it's the same size. So ayan siya, guys. So let's see if it's also worth our money to buy a mystery box in Namshi for 99 dirhams. So let's get it on. Okay, guys. Opening. And there you have it. So naka-bubble wrap ulit siya, which is really good because for this mystery boxes, hindi naman siya fully packed. So they're putting bubble wraps. Okay, guys. So here are the products. And let's go one by one for each products. So again, guys, I got 4 full-size products from L'Oreal. So first item, so this is an Infallible Fixing Mist by L'Oreal Paris. So ayan, fixing mist. Para sa ng fixing mist? So these are makeup finishing mist. So after full makeup, voila, ito ang kailangan nyo. So next item, guys, is again an Infallible Mattifying Base by L'Oreal Paris. So guys, what is the purpose of this item? This serves as also a primer. So it's a mattifying primer, which is good kasi most of the time, guys, there's a lot of people who apply makeup without using primer. So first, you need to apply a primer. So the next item is Mega Volume Miss Baby Roll Mascara. So this is a mascara. So guys, ayan siya. I hope you can see it. Let's just see anong itsura ng wand. Oh, guys, see. Ganito yung itsura ng wand niya. I hope you can see it. Wait. I'm gonna show you. Na-amaze ako. First time ko makakita ng ganitong klase ng wand. There. And let's go to the next item, guys. So it's a lip product. It's in a gold. It's in gold. So ito siya, guys. Ayan. So let me just hold it properly for you to see. Ayan. So this is in the shade of it's really hard to pronounce, but this is number 630 and it's in beige nude. Well, it's in French and my French is not that good. Let me try a swatch test for this, but I had to remove this so I can open properly or I'll just gonna pull it like this. Sorry. I really wanted to show you guys yung exact color niya kasi ako din, curious ako. Okay, so you just have to pull it like that. Or no. The struggle is real, guys. Okay. There, finally. Oh. So, guys, this is it. Ito yung color ng lipstick na nakuha ko from L'Oreal. So, don't think I need to swatch it kasi it's really color nude siya. So, So that's it, guys. These are the 4 items that I got from Namshi Mystery Box collaboration with L'Oreal Paris. So it's 4 full product items again. So I'll post on this video on the description what is the retail price for each items, and let's see if it's worth it, if our money is worth it for the Namshi collaboration with L'Oreal Mystery Box. So guys, if you enjoyed it, like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you on my next videos. Bye!